Why don't senior ladies play hide and seek? Because the best support bras would always give them away. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on best support bras for seniors. Tip 1. Comfort should be a top priority. As a senior, comfort is paramount while choosing a support bra. The bra should not have underwires that dig into the skin or straps that slide off the shoulders. The garment needs to evenly distribute the weight of the breast to prevent any strain, shoulder and neck pain. Tip 2. Choose the right size. Get personally fitted. This is essential because most women wear bras that are not the correct size. As we age, our bodies experience changes which may result in a different bra size than what we've been accustomed to. Tip 3. Look for adjustable straps. Respect the fact that not everyone is uniform in their body shape. Bras should have straps that can be easily adjusted to different lengths. Tip 4. One size does not fit all. Each woman's body is unique, therefore one type of bra won't work for everyone. Try on multiple styles to see what feels comfortable and provides the best support for your frame. Tip 5. Mind the material. The fabric should be non-irritating, soft and breathable. Cotton is a good choice, but there are synthetics specifically designed to draw moisture away from the skin. This might be particularly useful if you're dealing with hot flashes. Tip 6. Opt for front closures. As we get older, our range of motion isn't as robust as it once was. Bras with front closures are much easier to take on and off and can help maintain independence. Tip 7. Find something with wide straps and bands. Thin straps can dig into your shoulders and cause discomfort, while wider ones will distribute weight better and offer better support along with preventing any unwanted shoulder pain. Tip 8. Seamless bras can be a great option. Bras that are seamless can provide more comfort and can prevent unwanted chafing and irritation that might come with seamed bras. Tip 9. Make sure there's adequate support. The bra needs to provide proper uplift as well as equally distribute the weight of the breasts. Full cup bras usually provide the best support as they encompass the whole breast. Tip 10. Keep several options for different activities. Just like other ages, seniors need various bras for different purposes, ranging from everyday wear to sports activities and evening activities. One might not work for all activities. Tip 11. Skip on gimmicks. Stick to bras that have been proven to provide support, comfort and durability. Added bells and whistles might look interesting or ingenious, but they can sometimes cause more discomfort or not provide the support that seniors need. By following these tips, seniors can make sure they're buying bras that let them continue living their life comfortably. Always remember that the best support bra is one that fits well, provides adequate support, and feels comfortable.